in a day. Whoa, Jabbar. Soulja Boy, tell him. SOD, money, gang. And I'm in a day.
Shaquan Horton. Oh my. What that nigga Big Sean say? Swerve. I don't know. I was thinking about something.
Okay, anyway.
Oh, that had nothing to do with you. We was just... I got off subject. You know how I be. You know what I'm saying. All right, Shaquan Horton. Right.
You go first. You get
Shantae gonna be short.
Oh, that's her.
She's scared of Shantae, pal.
No, I'm not. That's not even funny.
It's funny, pal.
It's not.
All right. Right, nigga.
You was 7. Rate.
Damn, that's a hard one.
Wait, but then
Shut the fuck up. I give you an 8, my nigga. You my nigga. Like if you didn't have them dreads in your head, you get higher score. Cause you know I already told you I liked you without the hair. You know what I'm saying?
cool people.
Well, yeah, ditch a date.
You funny. Bitch. What?
You hope.
How?
You said ditch.
Well,
All right, nigga. Yeah, shut up. All right,
you cannot get it.
I'm in between. You can get it or no. I'm good. You can get it or no. I'm good.
I'm good.
Damn. You can get it. You can get it. Fuck up. All right. To be honest, nigga, I want one of them motherfucking lollipops you got in your mouth all the time.
And you'll never be at school. Like,
Nigga, he went to the OC.
oh, well, I don't never see no more. In my algebra class. It's kind of,
Yeah. To be honest, we all said what we had to say already. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Bang, bang. All right. Jasmine Torres. That's a bitch that live across the street.
You just saying it like it's nothing.
Oh, nigga, I forgot you don't know nobody.
Don't say it like that.
Say like what?
Like I'm just nobody.
Bitch, you said it your damn self. Anyways. Let's see what you say. We have to make 2 of these videos. Shit, nigga, because her.
Yeah, okay.
She cool. I give you a 10.
You get a
Ditch a date.
bitch.
If I was a nigga, I'd probably try to cuff you. You can get it or no, I'm good. I'm good, man. You a friend. To be honest, you pretty. You should be a model.
You cool? I guess.
Stop being a hoe, Precious. Alright, thumbs up or thumbs down? Alright. Kelvin Big Money Foster. This nigga here. Nigga Bob Close. Alright, rate.
I feel like you finna play him. Go.
Right, nigga?
Oh,
Be honest. We being trill niggas right now.
you are a solid.
She said 4.
No, I did it. You a 7.7. There you go. Go.
Nigga, I gave you without your little new dreads you got, I give you an 8. But since you got them dreads, I give you a 7.7, just like you said. To be honest,
Don't he play football? Yeah, you give me football.
nigga, you didn't even know.
I did. I just
To
had
be honest, you
make
my
sure.
bestie. I be swear you be putting up a front sometimes, but you my bestie. Thumbs up or thumbs down? She said this.
No.
It didn't went like
that's
that.
how,
Nah.
Shut
up. All right, thumbs up from both of us. Travell.
this kid.
This nigga right here got suspended on the motherfucking first week of school.
He did?
Hell yeah,
Oh
nigga.
my goodness.
That's why you ain't seen this nigga.
Where he went to the OC or something?
I don't know. Is you going to OC or you coming back? I don't even know. You just disappeared. All right, rate.
No. You. Anyway, I think you deserve like a. I don't want to be mean, so when I say this, don't get mad or nothing, and don't go.
Nigga,
talking
we
about
being
me.
trill niggas right now. Don't get your ass booty hurt like I said in the beginning of the motherfucking video. So rate, nigga.
You're a 5. I'm sorry. Yeah. Go.
I like your body. I like your body. So.
Should be about his face. That's what
Ditch
we're
or
rating.
date.
That's what we're rating, Olivia. The face.
Ditch or date.
Like if he had his shirt on and if you was walking down the street, would you ditch or date? Hello?
I'm stuck in between.
I would ditch. You cannot get it. I'm good. To be honest, you're funny. You're smart. You was in my Spanish 2 class last year. Yeah. Yeah. Give me a thumbs up.
Alright, so I'm gonna do mine on you. Rate, I give you 6 or 7. You know what I'm saying? There's your body, you know what I'm saying? Ditch a date. Nah, I ditch. You my nigga. You could get it or nah, I'm good. Nah, I'm good. To be honest, bring your ass back to Del Valley, nigga, 'cause the school boring. You know what I'm saying? I need a couple of labs. Shit, but boring. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah.